National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Queens County in southeast New York, Union County in northeast New Jersey, Manhattan in southeast New York, Bronx County in southeast New York, Westchester County in southeast New York, southeastern Bergen County in northeast New Jersey, southeastern Essex County in northeast New Jersey, Staten Island in southeast New York, Hudson County in northeast New Jersey, Brooklyn in southeast New York, until 1 p.m. At 9:58 a.m.
It's on the TV! Oh, there's a flash flood warning for here.
Why is it on my phone?
Will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to... A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions.
Oh my God!
Life and property.
Son of a goose!
To cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile.
Oh, God.
A flash flood warning has been issued until 1 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, and Hudson, and the following counties in New York.